Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good at home. Students, today in our class, we will discuss about different views of a document. So, we need some text here. For this, I am using a random function. So, here is our text. Now we will see how we can see our document in different views. What are views? Sometimes when we work on document, sometimes there is need to see the document in different ways, and for this our MS document provide us a option which is called views. So there are total 5 views in MS Word. So these view option can be seen from this view tab. So under this view tab there are document views group, and here we have 5 types of views. There is print layout, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. These views can also be seen at the status bar on the right hand side. So there are small icons for each kind of view. First view is print layout. The print layout view is used to see what the document will look like when we get the print of the document. So it is what you see is what you get on paper after printing. This print layout is the default view of the document. So this is our print layout. You can see here this option is in yellow color. It means we are currently on this view, print layout. To change the view, we will select or we will click on the different view. For example, full screen reading view. When we click here, so you can see now we are watching the screen, we are watching the document in a different way. This is our full screen reading mode. So this mode is used to view the document in columns. It is good for reading and it hides the ribbon. So we are not seeing here the various options provided by the MS Word. So all these options are hidden here. Our next view is web layout view. For this we need to close this view. So there is close button on the right hand side. Click here and now we will select the web layout view. A web layout view is used to see what the document will look like as a web page. For example, when we want to see our document through the browser, for example Google Chrome, Firefox, these are our browsers. So this is a view of the document when we will try to see our document through a web browser. Our next view is draft. This is our draft view. So draft view is used to focus on and make changes to the text. The images, headers, footers cannot be seen or edited in this view. So text is seen as a continuous text scroll. And our next view is outline view. Outline view is used to see how your document is layout. So in this view we just get the different headings and different levels of the document. We can make structural changes to our document. So there are 5 types of view in MS Word, and views option can be found in the view tab and under the document views group, and these options can also be seen at the status bar on the right side of the status bar. Now we will see how we can get the printout of a document. So whenever document is in our system, it is called the soft copy of the document, and when we get the printout of the same document, then that printout is called hard copy of the document, and we use printer to get the hard copy or to get the printouts of the document. So we all know that Control P is the shortcut key to get the printout of the any page, any document. So before printing we use the option print preview. So print preview show us the page, how our page will look like when we get the printout of the document. As I already told you that our default view of the document is print layout view. So print layout view, what we see in the print layout view, the same we will get as our output. So click on the print preview. So this is actually showing how our printout will be, means how our printed document will look like. So this is our print preview. If this option is not here, there is a arrow, quick access toolbar, and we can select the option from here. Now it is already checked, so it is outside here. If this option is not showing here, then we can select this option by clicking here. Okay, now close this preview, and to get the printout of the document we can simply press Ctrl P, and a print dialog box will open. And the second method is to go to this office button, and from here select the print option. We will get the same print dialog box. So here first option is name of the printer. Sometimes there are multiple printer connected to the system, so we can select our required printer from the list. For example, I am selecting this HP LaserJet 1022. Next option is page range. For example, there are 100 or 200 pages in our document. So if we want the printout of all of the document or all of the pages, we will select all. And if we want just the printout of the page on which we are currently working on or which we are watching on the screen, then we will select current page. And if we want the range of the pages, for example, I want the printout from the page number 10 to 15, then I will select the third option, pages, and here I will type the range, for example 10 to 15, in this way. and if after 15 I want some more pages, but these pages are not in continuous, are not in a sequence, so I will put here comma. For example, I want single pages after 15, mean page number 17 comma 19 comma 20. So in this way I will get the printout of page number 10 to 15, means 6 pages here, and after that page number 17, 19 and 20. It means if our pages are continuous, then I will write the range with the hyphen between them, for example 10 hyphen 15, and if the pages are not continuous, then I will use comma between the page numbers. And here under the print there is selected all pages in range. Sometimes we want our printout on the both side of the page, for example on the upper side our odd pages and on the back side our even pages. So first of all I will select the odd pages only, and after getting the printout of the odd pages, then I will put the same pages again in the printer, and from here I will select the option even pages. So in this way we can get the printout of the document on the both side of the page. And here is the option number of copies, means how many copies of the document we want as our, it means how many copies of the document we want as our printout. For example, if I want only one copy of the printout, then by default it is 1, otherwise we can increase the number of copies of the document. And under the properties menu, and there is a tab basics, and from there we can select the orientation of the page, whether we want our printout in portrait or landscape. Therefore we can change from here. So in this way we can get our soft copy converted into a hard copy. This was all about views and printing a document. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.